Welcome to YVU IT Hub, powered by KVRSS Group.
And subsequent sign. So for having or for using Outlook, we should know what is the actual domain for having access to the Outlook. So that is outlook.com. That's a website where you can have access to the Outlook. So what we have to do in initial step is just open any browser and enter outlook.com in URL section. Just look at the screen. Here we're having outlook.com in your section that was typed by us. Okay, in your case, you can use any browser. Just enter outlook.com in the URL section. Then after that, you have to just hit the enter in your keyboard. This is the homepage of Outlook, where you can find two options. One is the Try Premium and the second one is the Sign In. So in case of exam university or any other universities, so they will give IDs for the faculty and the students or some other members also, other members of institution or university. So in this case, we have provided IDs for the faculty as well as affiliate colleges and also students. So in that case, if they would like to use their email, those IDs for having email communications or something, or for sharing information with their friends or with their colleagues or with the university officials, they can able to use the Outlook. So for having such type of communications, we have to go with the Outlook here. So that is available on outlook.com. Currently we are at the home page. So in second step, what I have to do here is just hit the sign in. This is the sign page. Here you just remember these are IDs, customized emails we have provided, customized email IDs we have provided for every faculty, student, affiliate colleges here. So what happened here is the most of the Indian universities and the people, they are very well aware of the Gmail. In case of Gmail, just by entering the username without the suffix like at gmail.com, you don't want to enter directly, you can able to hit the next or directly can enter the password there and you'll be entered into the Gmail interface. But in case of customized emails, we have to enter complete ID. That means in this case, for this demo purpose, I have created demoaf@yvu.edu.in. So I just now I just discussed that is in case of Gmail, we don't want to enter the suffix. What is the suffix here means, like in case of Gmail, we are having like demoaf@yvu.edu.in. In case of Gmail, it will be like demoaf@gmail.com. So on that platform, you don't want to enter the gmail.com and directly entering the password, you will be getting into the Gmail interface. But in case of the custom emails, we have to enter entire ID. That means demoaf@yvu.edu.in. So after entering your ID, just hit next. Here you have to enter the password for every faculty, student and affiliate colleges. We have given temporary password. You just remember one thing, already if you have used any feature under Office 365 by using the IDs provided by the university, and if there already you have set up your own password there, so it will not ask you to update your password here. But I'm demonstrating here, if you are for the first time, if you are entering the Outlook, but even you have not used any features under Office 365 like Microsoft Teams or SharePoint or whatever, you have not used, just to consider this is assumption, just you have not used the ID for some other features available under the Office 365. So in that case, for the first sign in, definitely it will ask you to update the password also. So we will have here in the next step, in this step we need to enter the password. Just hit the sign in. See, it is asking update your password. But if you have already used this ID for some other features, even during the first sign in to some Microsoft Teams or SharePoint, or there are many features. For the first time, definitely it will ask you to update the password. But in this case, for the demonstration purpose, I've created a new ID. This ID was not used for any other features. So in your case also, if it is the first time, it will ask you to update the password. If you have already used this ID for the SharePoint or Teams, it will not ask you to update your password, but during the first sign in at those features, it will ask you to update the password. I think definitely you may have updated your password also. But in this case, for the fresh ID, it was not yet used for other features, so it will ask you to update the password. In this case, you have to enter the password that was given by the university under current password. And a new password, we have to create our own password that should be alphabets, numericals, and special characters for the more security. And under confirm password, again you have to enter the new password. You just remember one more thing here, you should not keep your username as a password here. Here the username means demo AF. So the demo AF, if you have chosen like demo AF at the right 123 or whatever the numericals and special characters, it will not consider for the security reasons. So after choosing the password, that's your wish, that's new password, then just you hit the sign in. It is asking more information required, then you just hit the next. See here, you have to set up your phone number, or else even you can set up email ID, or else you can able to go with Microsoft Authenticator app also. This is especially for the future password reset purpose. So by setting up your phone number is more than enough. And if you are interested to keep, or if you are interested to update your email ID with this current ID provided by the YVU University, you can even choose email also. But in this demonstration, it is more than enough to update your phone number or link your phone number with this ID for future password reset. So what we have to do here is, by default we are having here United States, so actually we are from India, so it has to be changed. So in this case, what we have to do here is simply just hit this drop down icon and you just look for the or search for the India. Now you have to enter your phone number here. Here we're having the options. So text me a code and call me. So you just go to text me a code. Sometimes you may not receive the 6-digit code or any secret code from the Microsoft. In such cases, you just check your mobile network, or else just keep your mobile in airplane mode, or just restart your phone. That is your wish. You can keep in the airplane mode, again disable the airplane mode, definitely will receive a code. So if you're experiencing the problem to get a code via SMS, so you just go with the call me. That is your wish. Even you just remember one more thing, this screen doesn't make a change in some cases. You don't expect that same design you're going to get. Somewhere it will show different view, but options will be the same, or the operation or the process will be the similar. So after entering your phone number here, just hit the next. See here, it is asking enter code. In this field, we have to enter the code that was received at your phone number. In my case, I have received a 6-digit code. I'm just entering that code in this field. Then you just hit the next. See, it is showing SMS verify your phone was registered successfully. Then hit the next. Then hit done. So if I forget my password, then I can never reset on my own. I don't want to reach IT admin or IT administrator of the university. So it is asking stay signed. It means you can save your password for future logins or future sign-in. During that time, we don't want to enter the password repetitively. So in my case, this is just for the demonstration. I don't want to save my password. In your case, if you'd like to save your password, you can hit the S. In my case, I don't want to save my password, so that's why I'm just hitting the no. See, this is the interface of Outlook here, right? So we have successfully signed in, as we have successfully entered into Outlook here. So all these features, remain features, are similar to what we are aware of for some other platforms like Gmail or whatever. But that design will be different here. That interface is different, and by using day by day, you can learn many things here. So you know, again, I don't want to demonstrate many things like a new message or whatever. All these terminologies you know very well. I don't want to discuss about all these things again here. So I think hope you understand better. Definitely can understand better. And for still, if you have any queries, you can reach our support team. Definitely they will assist you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Subscribe for more videos.